guys, Didi here, and today I am not in my normal setup because I am not in the state that I usually am in. I am in Arizona visiting my grandma for the holidays, and Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas and armpits. I have a bit of a case of the sniffles and a cough, a little bit cough. But today, I had a present. I opened up my presents last night, and I found this, and it has 1 blind bag, 2 blind bag, 3 blind box, 4 blind box. Yeah. So I have 4 things that I'm gonna open up today, and they're all My Little Pony. So, woohoo, yay! I'm dying, just like, hello. And so, yeah, let's open up this one first, because you've seen this before. These are My Little Pony regular blind bags with the minifigures, 2-inch. And I need to figure out where the notch is to open this. When in doubt, use your teeth. Or Google it. Whichever one comes first. Here's the card. And it looks like we got Lyra Heartstrings as Twilight. Here she is, Lyra, who is obsessed with humans. Okay, so it says she loves to sing at the bottom there. Focus. I do not exist. Okay. She loves to sing. Here she is. She is a minty green color with yellow eyes and a harp. I think that's a harp. But you can tell that she is made with the Twilight Sparkle mold, the old Twilight Sparkle mold. And these are all the ponies that we could get. Focus. Focus, I do not exist. Come on. Focus. Oh, whatever. Okay, so the next one that we have is called a microlight, and they come with the main 6. So, yeah, let's open this up. Come on. Oh, there's a notch right here. I knew that. Totally. Okay, and then inside we get this thing. Has a rubber band on it, so I need to get this off. It looks like we got Fluttershy. Oh, when you squeeze her in, there's a light that comes out of her. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is what she looks like. She is super tiny, and her wings. Tiny wings. Hello. That is so cool. Her little tiny tail.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Hi, Kyle. I'm doing a video for YouTube right now, so shh.
Okay.
Do,
Nice about it, Evie.
do. Okay, next one. Oh my gosh, I hope I get Spike. So, this one is a super squishy Fashions. And let's open this. I know I'm using my teeth a lot in this video, but that's just because these are impossible to open. There we go. Come on. Okay, so this is what the case looks like without the wrapper. Let's just open this up. Oh my gosh, I got Trixie! That's so cool. She is so squiggy. So squishy. This is what she looks like. Her little cutie mark. She is so stretchy. I love her. Do, 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 do. Do, do. That is my art case. Okay. I got an art case last night too. Okay. Well, many art cases. Sorry. And then, so yeah, that's what she looks like. And then we have one more left to do. Here we have the squishy pops that have like a little suction cup at the bottom of them. That's, I have never opened one of these before. I also haven't opened one of the microlights before, by the way, so, like, even off camera. Nope. So, here we go. Open, open, open. Here we go. Okay, opened it. Ish. Okay. So let's just, oh yeah, this is what it looks like. My little pony sign. Do, 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 do. Who did I get? Oh my gosh! That is so cool! I got a translucent Twilight. Look at her. She is so pretty. I love her. Here. I'm gonna try and suction her. Ah! Sorry, my stand fell. She is sticking on the camera. But, oh gosh, if you could see, my hands are completely off of her. Kaylin, can you confirm?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Okay. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I have no idea if all of them are. They're not. Not all of them are translucent. I think I got one of the rare ones because if you look on here, this is basically the checklist. I got her. This is who I got. And oh my gosh, I love her. If you look really, really closely, you can see her eyes, but they're a little bit more difficult to see. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, if I haven't said that already. So, as I set up all of my things for you guys to see. Okay, come on, Lyra. Trixie. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you in your box. Alright. Sorry for that random jump cut, you guys. My phone decided to just randomly turn off, and I don't know why. So anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll see you later. Bye. Mwah!